Good morning and welcome here in Bangkok. Today we are having our very first own organized event here in Bangkok. I'm super excited. In total we have 3 DJs, so me, then Mark Crosby and Trexler. Trexler is about to play for the very first time in public. He's super nervous and I can't wait to document his experience today. So right now I just bought some new tracks and I bought way too many new tracks. I bought 35 new tracks. So before I analyze them and set hot cues and prepare them for today, I will quickly go to the gym, then finish all the music stuff, and then it's already time to go because due to the COVID restrictions here in Thailand, we are only allowed to party until 9 PM. So it's more like a daytime party. But yeah, we make the best out of it. And yeah, let's hit the gym, enjoy the trip. Alright, I finished my workout. It's already 3 PM and the event starts at 5. So I'm kind of in a hurry right now. But look at this amazing view. So now it's time quickly to organize the new tracks I bought. And then I have to go straight to the event because otherwise I would be late. So let's go. Alright, I have prepared the music and now it's quickly time to pack my backpack and then we're heading to the venue. It's so messy right now, but I'm such in a rush. So I need my headphones, I need my camera, I need my USB sticks, and that's it. Alright, I have everything. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's super late. Trexler's already waiting. And then we're gonna take a taxi, I guess, or maybe we take the subway. I'm not sure yet. So exhausting being in a hurry all the time as a DJ. Where's Trexler? Where is he? 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 I cannot see him. Okay, he's inside the lobby. I didn't see him. Okay, let's go quickly inside. So this is Trexler. He's the guy who's playing for the very first time in public.
God. Yeah.
How do you feel?
Very scared.
Scared? But are you excited as well?
Very well, very much.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
So he practiced yesterday a little bit and I think it was pretty good.
But
yeah.
I'm not gonna fucked up, that's all I'm very concerned.
Okay, so now we have, should we take the subway or take a taxi?
Which one is more convenient for us?
That's a really good question. I think taxi is better because it's not close to an MRT station. Okay. Let's do it. So as much as I love Bangkok, this traffic.
Even if I'm Asian, this traffic sucks all the time.
I hate it.
It's never easy.
No, it's always waiting. And it's so chaotic.
And we're looking for a taxi.
Yeah, we're looking for a free taxi. But yeah, we will make it on time, hopefully. Alright, we made it to the venue. It's... what's the time? It's 7 minutes before the event officially starts. So, Sawadee Krap, hello. Yeah, I will show you the venue in a second. We made it on time. Hey, how are you doing? Hello, Sawadee Krap. How are you? So this is Mark, you might remember him from the last boat party. He's super focused on the menu because he's hungry.
I thought I was who you're talking to. So the menu is important, I only came for the food.
Yeah, as always. Like two, and then you press, yeah. Okay, browse is here.
Okay.
Here?
Browse, yeah. No.
Yeah.
This is two.
Someone is nervous.
I'm very nervous.
Okay, let's show you the venue. So we have a nice balcony area over here, which is really nice to get a small break. Let's have a look. Alright, the first guest has arrived. Remember her? DJ star Psy.
Yeah, hey, I'm DJ.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna be the star of this video.
I'm gonna be... You know I'm here because of Drexel.
Sure.
Thank you.
Also 11 times.
It's too late now. It's too late. Amazing.
No, it's not gonna happen.
Drexler played now for 40
Oh
minutes.
my god, almost there.
Yeah, he's getting more and more
Almost
comfortable.
in the finish line.
Yeah, quite good so far. The music didn't stop.
Okay.
Show me your test. Show me your test.
No.
That looks beautiful.
No way!
Oh yeah. Show me again. Show me your move. Fuck yeah.
No.
That was too much.
Okay.
Hey.
I have to make something for my YouTube channel. Can you entertain my subscribers?
I'm not much on entertaining. I'm completely unentertainable.
Oh shit.
But tonight is going to be a lot of fun tonight, which
Absolutely.
makes it exciting to be here.
Absolutely, I totally agree. So I'm about to play in 5 minutes. I'm gonna start with some melodic techno, maybe some progressive house, and then go straight to like peak time driven techno. Super excited for that. Mark is doing a great job.
The worst sound I've ever played, I'll tell you.
You are. Good to see you. How do you know Psy?
In Thai.
Yeah.
Yeah, meet with Colin in Thai.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Thailand is so small.
Okay, then we're gonna have fun tonight because Marvin, he play and his music is amazing. Guys, you can't believe it. Show you. Red. Okay, now on. Boom. Zoom in.
Okay, I just finished my set. Now Mark is playing again for 1 hour, and then I'll play again some progressive trance, Psy Trance. I'm super excited. I'm so drunk. It's time for me to play again. Go full blast. Alright, so the party's over, police came, we have to shut down. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. See you in the next video. Enjoy the trip.